All right, baby. Now we're talking. Check it out. The markets are exploding today after we got the unemployment claims this morning, which we have to cover in this video. And we'll break down all the indexes, stocks I'm looking at, all that good stuff. So, guys, jam-packed video. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. And you might as well get up to 20 stocks for Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And for a limited time, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So again, use that link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So check it out. All of the indexes are moving big time right now. We're talking the Russell's up 2.7%, Nasdaq's up 2.3%, S&P's up around 1.5%, with the Dow Jones up 1.2%, and the VIX down to the mid-15s, down yet again over 4%. So monstrous green day for the stock market, and this comes on the back of the news that we just got of unemployment claims coming in better than expected for the second week in a row. You guys can see here, we just got the unemployment claims, which is the number of individuals who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. So you guys can see, if I come over here to the right a little bit, there we go. Whoops, sorry about that, guys. The number came in at 227,000. So 227,000 people filed for unemployment claims insurance for the first time, and the estimate was for 236,000. So 9,000 less people filed for the claims, which is very good. And it looks like last week we were at 234,000. So better than the estimate, and less people filed for unemployment insurance claims since last week. So that's actually a very good sign. And this is always a metric that people pay attention to, right? But it's been heavily under the microscope as of late, ever since we got the unemployment rate, which spiked. The jobs market data came in a bit weak, which is great for, laying the ground for the Fed to cut rates, but it's not the best overall for the economy. So yeah, a lot of investors are paying attention to this number here, and it came in better than expected, and we're seeing a massive move overall in the stock market, which, guys, this is good news in the short term, especially if you're a bull, right? So we can see here, if we look at the 5-day, 5-minute chart, we're obviously breaking out on the 10-day chart as well. And by the way, this is Triple Q. We can see now on this 10-day, actually the 20-day is probably better. Now we're getting right by the highs from, it looks like, the beginning of August, being about 475 on Triple Q, and SPY's approaching right around, let me see here, guys, SPY's getting right near the highs from around the beginning of August as well, 555, 553, in that ballpark. So this is the moment of truth for the bulls, because I've mentioned this before, we're still technically in a downtrend, right? We were, especially yesterday heading into today, and I've been saying this, we will be in a downtrend still until we take out the highs from early August, which again, we're testing right now. You guys can see SPY's right there, and so is Triple Q. So this looks really good, man. It looks like we want more upside, or more green. It looks like here, SPY's above the moving averages on the 4-hour chart. Same thing with Triple Q. Now all we have to do is take out the highs from early August. So I'll set my alert at 476 on Triple Q. Let me do that really quickly. And on SPY, I'll do another alert. I'll do an alert at, let's say, 555. Let me do that now on SPY. By the way, guys, smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe as well, and join the mailing list. I'm actually sending you for free my top 3 stocks every single Monday morning right to your email. So put your first name and your email right down below in the description box. It's free, no spam, no BS. I promise, guys. Go check it out. So yeah, we're approaching a big spot with these indexes here, guys. and we're just cruising today, man. We're ripping. We're looking great. We're arguably overbought, though, in the short term. I mean, according to the RSI at least, but it doesn't look like there's red coming anytime soon. There's no sign of a pullback, should I say, at least right now, right? So let me run through some stocks that are moving here, guys. It looks like Micron is moving today. Ticker symbol MU's up over 6%, and now we're pretty much at a major level of resistance. Let me actually redraw this to show you guys. So MU is now at $107 per share, which that was support, it looks like, in the middle of April. Then we broke through it in the beginning of this month of August, and now we're retesting it. So Micron, if it breaks out of this point, 107, 108, maybe we make a move towards 115, right by the 180 SMA here on the 4-hour chart. Maybe then that breaks and we start going up even more, maybe continuing the overall trend, which we can see on the 1-year chart. Obviously, they're uptrending, looking really good overall. So we finally got a massive pullback in Micron, a very big pullback, guys, literally a cut in half. Talk about a major pullback there in Micron, and now we're starting to rebound. Let's see if this thing can catch fire again. Ticker symbol MU. I'm watching it very closely here. It looks like Nike, slowly but surely, has been crawling its way out of the hole. Now we're actually back over the moving averages on the 4-hour chart, and we're up around 18 to 19% off the lows on Nike. Looking pretty decent, guys, pretty decent. I'm not going to say it's looking great by any means, but we're testing the trend line right now, man. If we get out of here, maybe Nike could see some more upside in the short term, but of course their long-term problems are still there. The fundamentals are not looking the best for Nike right now, but in the short term, hey, the stock is starting to turn up, which is good. And so is Amazon. AMZN's bouncing back. You guys can see it's up 3.5% today. And earlier, I think it was up like 4%, maybe close to 5%. And now you guys can see we sold off all the way down to about 150, 160 over the last week or two. Now we've rebounded. We retook 165. Now we're well over 170. So in my opinion, guys, this looks like a reversal on Amazon, but yes, we are approaching at the same time a big resistance right now at about, where is this, guys? 175 to 180 bucks per share. This is a big spot. If I get the channel tool out, let me draw it out for you guys. This is a big spot where we're at right now, but if we're able to get a clean cut break above 180, 185 on Amazon, I think even more upside from there could be coming. And full disclosure, I'm long Amazon. I love the company, love the stock. I'm in that. And I'm glad I bought the dip, because I did buy the dip. I'm sure a lot of you did, post earnings as the stock crashed. I bought it. Did you buy it? Let me know in the comments. And let's do one more stock quickly today, guys. What's moving today? It looks like Applied Materials. Oh, wait, they might have reported earnings. And this one actually, well, they didn't report earnings yet. It looks like they're after the bell today. But either way, this one played to a T. I actually had this in my email write-up, which again is free, link down below. This was one of those stocks we talked about, and it was at 185, 190, I think, when I wrote that email. And now we're at 215, 210, so we're breaking out, heading into earnings. We pretty much filled the entire gap that we talked about in the email. Now earnings are going to come out, and this is going to be a big determining factor. Okay, what are we going to do? Do we break 215, 220? If earnings are really good, do we get out of that resistance? Or maybe they drop the ball, we sell down a bit, sell off back to 190, 200, and see where it goes from there. I don't know, because listen, we are a bit overbought heading into earnings, so if they disappoint a little bit at all, it could be setting up for a sell-off. You got to keep that in mind. So guys, What are your thoughts? Let me know down below in the comments. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get up to 20 stocks from Moomoo. I'm telling you guys, this deal is unmatched right now. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100 and boom, you get up to 20 stocks and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So again, stocksurfs.com/Moomoo or simply use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.